Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Educational Hub. AI tools are rapidly transforming academic research, and one tool that's making a big impact right now is NotebookLM. With its latest updates, it has become incredibly powerful, especially when it comes to creating professional-looking presentations in just minutes. One of the best things about NotebookLM is how effortlessly it structures information. The slides look polished, the flow is logical, and you don't need to worry about design or formatting at all. For researchers, students, and educators, this can save hours of work.
However, there's one major limitation. When you download a presentation from NotebookLM, it comes as a PDF file. That means you can't directly edit the text, redesign the slides, or add your own branding. And in academic work, customization is often essential. So in this video, I'll walk you through a simple, free workflow to turn a NotebookLM presentation into a fully editable PowerPoint file so you can refine, update, and personalize it exactly the way you want. So let's begin. First, head over to NotebookLM and sign in. Once inside, create a new notebook. NotebookLM allows you to add sources in multiple ways. You can upload documents, import files from Google Drive, paste text, or even add website links. For this demonstration, we'll use its fast research feature. In the search bar, type "Impact of AI on Academic Research." Once you run the search, NotebookLM gathers information from credible sources such as academic journals, research reports, technology publications, and policy discussions related to AI in education and research. After the research is complete, you'll see summaries and references from multiple sources. At this stage, you can review them and select only the ones that best fit your presentation. Any source you don't need can simply be unchecked. When you're satisfied, move to the NotebookLM Studio panel on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find the option to generate a slide deck. Before generating the slides, you can customize a few important settings. You can choose between a more detailed presentation with explanations or a presenter-style deck that focuses on visuals and key points. You can also select the language, adjust the length, and briefly describe the audience, such as students, researchers, or academic professionals. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within moments, your presentation appears, neatly organized slide by slide. You'll notice that the content is already divided into clear sections, covering topics like AI-powered literature reviews, automated data analysis, ethical concerns, research productivity, and the future role of researchers. You can present directly from NotebookLM or share it online. But if you want to edit the content or redesign the slides, this is where the workaround comes in. When you download the presentation, it saves as a PDF. The text is fixed, the layout can't be changed, and editing isn't possible. To make it editable, we'll use Canva. Open a new browser tab and search for Canva PDF to PPT Converter. Click on Canva's official PDF to PPT tool and upload the PDF you downloaded from NotebookLM. Once the file loads, you'll see your entire presentation inside Canva. At first, the text behaves like an image, so it still isn't editable. This next step is the key. Click on a slide, select Edit, then go to Magic Studio and choose Grab Text. When prompted, select All Text and confirm. Canva will now separate the text from the background and convert it into editable text layers. Now you can modify headings, rewrite content, change fonts, adjust colors, and rearrange elements. Repeat this process for each slide. It only takes a few minutes and is far faster than recreating the presentation from scratch. Once you're done, export the file as a PowerPoint presentation and you're free to continue editing it in PowerPoint with full control. So to recap, NotebookLM helps you quickly generate structured, research-based presentations, and Canva allows you to convert those PDFs into fully editable PowerPoint files. Together, they create a powerful workflow that saves time and boosts productivity in academic research. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Educational Hub, and stay tuned for more practical AI tools and research workflows. See you in the next one.